All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. The last pair that was just analyzed was USCHF. The next is Euro GBP. Euro GBP. I've had this analysis for the longest time. Waiting for a breakout, retest for me to go in on the sell for this market, but it has just been consolidating. We still have the 3 time frame bearish on the weekly. The weekly we are having a head and left shoulder. Okay, this is the neckline of the weekly. This is the head, left shoulder, right shoulder. This is the neckline. So what I'm waiting for is for a breakout of this neckline. As I retest, I'm going in for a sell. Daily, on the daily we are also bearish. This is also a neckline. Okay, coming down to the 4-hour, and on the daily we are at a very clean support and resistance zone. Whenever we are above this zone, we are using it as a support. But whenever we are below, whenever we break below, is acting as a resistance. Whenever we are below, acting as a resistance. But whenever we are above, acting as a support. Alright, whenever we are below this zone, acting as a resistance. So coming down to the 4 hours, on the other hand, the 4 hour is also bearish. The 4 hour is bearish. This has been our lower low, this has been our lower high. So I'm waiting for a breakout. This one as I retest, I'll be going in for a sell. I've had this analysis for the longest time. GBP CAD. Okay, continuation from GBP CAD from last week. Last week I was looking to sell GBP CAD, but that didn't happen. So this week I'm also looking to sell. I'm still looking to sell GBP CAD this week, simply because on the weekly, this is the head, this is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and this is the neckline of the weekly. So, and I like the fact that this weekly has given me this rejection. Okay, whenever we are above this zone, is acting as a support, but whenever we are below, as a resistance. Coming down to the daily, excuse me. Coming down to the daily on the other hand, we are bullish on the daily. This has been our higher high, this has been our higher low. But on the daily, we are also at a very clean support and resistance zone. Whenever we are above, acting as a support, but whenever we are below, as a resistance. Whenever we are above support, whenever we are below, resistance. Okay, and this is a neckline for the head and left shoulder on the weekly. This is a neckline for the weekly. So the 4 hour on the other hand, 4 hour is also bearish, lower low, lower high. So what I'm simply waiting for is a breakout. This one at the retest, I'll be going for the sell. Last but not the least, Euro AUD. Remember last week, Euro AUD, we sold Euro AUD. Euro AUD was one of the trades we took last week. We took 2 trades last week, Euro AUD and US gold. So Euro AUD, I'm simply looking to continue buying this market. We are having the 3 time frame bullish. Alright, so and we're at a very clean support and resistance zone. Whenever we are above, acting as a support. Whenever we are above, as a support. Whenever we are below, as a resistance. Coming down to the daily as well, we are also having this area as a very clean support and resistance zone. Alright, so coming down to the 4 hours, where the 4 hour is also bullish. Simply what I'm waiting for right now is a breakout at the retest. I'll be going in for a buy. So that's pretty much it for this week, and all these markets are going to be taking live. That's how I do my thing. So if you want to join me, if you want to trade live for me and my team, be sure to use the description down below of my Telegram group and join my team, and we can trade live together. But up until then, like this video, subscribe, and also leave a comment. All right, so enjoy the rest of your weekend. It's currently Sunday, so the market will be opening up any minute, any moment from 9 2 hours. The market will be opening up. All right, have a wonderful week. I'm wishing you a beautiful week ahead. Peace out for now. Enjoy the rest of your week.